In order to build your capacity for change, pay very close attention to language and vocabulary. One of the biggest reasons organizations don't change is because their vocabulary won't let them. What do you think most people are walking around saying in their own? By the way, how many of you talk to yourselves? Yeah. There's always a group of people in the back who are kind of like, I don't talk to myself, but look at all these other crazy people around me. If you did nothing, if you were a fly on the wall and listened to the language in an organization, listen to the vocabulary being used, you would be able to tell within about an hour or two which organizations were adaptable and which weren't. Because it's that vocabulary. You see, the human brain doesn't really think in language. The human brain is powered by pictures and emotions. But it's language that triggers those pictures and emotions. If someone's saying, if we're trying to roll out a change in getting people to use a different email portal, and you hear in the predominant vocabulary or languages, oh, here we go again, this sucks, this isn't going to work. What pictures and emotions does that trigger? So we have to challenge our own vocabulary internally, but we also, in conversation with other people, we have to really watch and make sure that we're using the language that triggers the right pictures and emotions.